Hey guys, so today I'm going to be talking about the Argan Oil from Morocco by HASK. This is a healing shine hair treatment, and it also has keratin in it for smoothness. So I actually got this product, to be honest, because the product that I usually get was out. They didn't have it, which is a bottle just like this. It's by HASK as well, but it's the keratin one. So this one was argan oil, which I've used before and I do like, and it also had keratin in it, so I figured I'd give it a shot and just like see how it worked. So there, you could kind of see the size of it better that way. It's a really small bottle, it's really easy to travel with, and it's an oil serum type of thing. And with this product, honestly, a little bit goes a long way, which is really nice. These little tiny tubes last a really long time, and this is tiny. It is 18 milliliters. It's 5/8 of a fluid ounce. So it's really small, but it lasts a really long time. So you can see here how much product I've used, and I've used it 3 times. And I personally only wash my hair once a week. I have really, really thick curly hair. So this is 3 times, so that's 3 weeks. So this is gonna last me a good couple of months at least, which is really nice for such a small bottle. And super easy to travel with. I've never had an issue with it opening. I've traveled with these, not this specific one because this is the first time I've gotten this one, but the other ones that I get come in the same kind of bottle, and I've never had an issue traveling with it and it spilling or anything like that. So the back of it has your information. It can be used on both wet and dry hair to create a silky smooth finish. And I say that I've used it 3 times. I used it when I wash my hair, but I actually have, now that I think about it, after I saw dry hair, I have used it once since then when my hair was dry, just because it was a little bit on the frizzier side. So I added some of this in before I ran out of the house to kind of smooth down some of the flyaways, and it worked really, really well. Yeah, HASK Beauty, I really love HASK. I think that they do have really great products, especially for really frizzy curly hair, which is what I have. It just works really well. I love all of their products, and this one is up there. It also smells really good. I don't know why I always think to open it when I talk about smell, if you can smell it. I'm gonna show you how it smells. Smell it through the camera. But anyway, it smells really good. It has kind of a fruitier, the smell is kind of fruity, and also the smell really sticks to your hair, which is really nice. That's one of it closes really nicely. You don't have to worry about it opening at all, which is really, really great. Back to the scent. One of my biggest problems with my hair is that I always straighten it and then curl it and I blow dry it, and so with so much heat, it usually just smells like burnt hair. My hair doesn't have the best scent because of that. But this product, it still smells great even after I blow dry, straighten, and then curl with a curling iron. I can still smell the product. And even if it didn't, I could always, because I can apply this to wet and dry hair, I can apply it after I'm done with the heat tools on my hair, and then my hair will smell just like it even afterwards. And I sometimes do that too, just to make the smell even stronger. And it's really, really nice. This has a really nice shine to my hair. It says healing. It says that it's a hair treatment. I do have pretty damaged ends just from being lazy and not getting a haircut. And also my hair itself is pretty damaged just because I apply so much heat to it. I haven't noticed any healing or anything like that, but there are other products in this collection. You can get the argan oil, you can get it the shampoo and conditioner, you can get leave-in conditioner, you can get other treatments for it. So maybe if I used all of those products in tandem, it would work better and it would work really well. It doesn't for me right now, this is the only thing that I'm using, and I only use it once a week. Maybe I'll use it another time during the week when my hair is already dry, but for the most part, I only use it once a week, so I don't notice much I don't notice it working too much like a hair treatment, but it does leave my hair nice and smooth and shiny, which is what I'm really looking for in this product, because like I said, I usually get the keratin one for that reason, but I got this one because it was the only one that was there. The one that I usually get wasn't there. But that being said, the next time I go to the store, or I could even order it online, but if I go back to the store and they don't have it, the keratin one, I would have absolutely no reservations about getting this one. I had reservations the first time because I never used it, but now that I've used it, I would have no problem buying this again and using it if the product that I typically use is out of stock. So this is just a really good backup one that I really love. It makes my hair smell great, it adds shine, it adds smoothness, and it's not super thick. It doesn't make my hair look greasy or anything like that. It leaves my hair feeling really soft. So yeah, so I really love this product and I highly recommend it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this video.